Brian from Kingwood has a question about shower paint.
Well, it's about paint and drywall and peeling like this.
Oh, not too bad.
No, I didn't think so either. So Brian writes, it's around the shower in my kid's bathroom, and I installed a new, very large volume fan in there. It seems to me we've had this question before. She says, but I noticed, he says, the moisture builds up, even though I got the fan in there on top where the opening is, and I can't see the paint. I can see rather the paint starting to peel off. So Tom, Brian wants to know, is there something he can put on there or some kind of paint he should use that won't peel like that?
Yes, you need to use a bathroom paint, but before you do that, fans only do so much. You have a steamy shower, it's not gonna dry the bathroom out immediately. It takes a little while. And those fans are not only for that, but they're fans also for odors and smells in a bathroom. That's probably their primary reason we put them in there. But as far as the paint goes, scrape off all the peeling paint, paint it with a pigmented shellac first, and then go back with a bathroom paint. I notice you have a color there, so just match the color. And don't use a flat paint. Use at least an eggshell in a bathroom.
So you have exterior paint, interior paint, and bathroom paint?
They actually do. It's got mildewcides in there, and it holds up to the.
I didn't know that.
It holds up to the moisture better.
Is there a kids' room paint?
No,
it's like particularly bulletproof or something.
Exterior paint. I don't know.
Okay, you got a question, boys and girls? Send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it here, and you can check our videos out over there and subscribe to our channel right here.